Welcome to Arnott Suspension Products. Today, we will review basic guidelines for installing the new front right and left air struts designed by Arnott for the Mercedes-Benz GLC class, X253, with and without 4MATIC and with AMG. Proper installation is crucial for optimal performance. Let's walk through the steps to ensure a safe and effective replacement. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Set the steering to straight ahead. Raise the vehicle and remove the applicable front wheel. Now open the hood and remove any applicable trim covering the strut's top mount. Next, disconnect the airline from the strut. Remove the 3 top mount nuts. Disconnect the 2 top mount electrical connections. Disconnect the ride height sensor electrical connection as well as the sway arm linkage. Unclip and unroute all brake lines and air lines surrounding the strut for removal. Disconnect the electrical harness from the strut's lower solenoids. Loosen and remove the bottom mount bolt from the strut and carefully remove the strut assembly. Save and reuse the wire retainer. Use the 2 Arnott-provided cable ties to reattach the retainer on the new strut during the installation. The removal is now complete. Tighten all nuts and bolts to the manufacturer's specifications during the air strut installation process. Remove the shipping plug from the check valve and dispose of it. Install the Arnott-provided air fitting and tighten it snugly. Remove the shipping pin from the air fitting and dispose of it. Install the Arnott strut into the vehicle and reinstall the bottom mount bolt and nut. Next, connect the electrical harness to the strut's lower solenoids. Reroute and clip all the brake lines and air lines back into place on the wire retainer and reconnect the sway arm linkage. Also, reconnect the ride height sensor electrical connection, as well as the 2 top mount electrical connections. Next, reinstall the 3 top mount nuts. Before inserting the existing airline into the new air strut, you will need to remove the old original equipment airline fitting and discard it. Slide the threaded portion up the OE airline fitting and spread the collet open to remove. Now, slide the air fitting off of the airline and discard the OE airline fitting. Scratches or deep cuts in the airline can result in possible leaks. Therefore, it's important to inspect the airline before insertion. The airline needs to be replaced if it's damaged. Reinstall the airline. Push the airline into the new air fitting until it is seated completely. Pull gently on the airline to ensure it is fully seated in the air fitting. Now reinstall any applicable trim or panels under the hood. Close the hood and reinstall the wheel. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the front air struts of a Mercedes-Benz GLC class, X253, with Arnott parts. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system.